This is PW41i, Advanced, Protective Relay Test Set. Local control system with 10.4-inch touchscreen makes relay tests easily. On the front panel, there are indicators for power on, run state, overload and overheat alarm. There are press buttons for start test, fault trigger in special test and stop test. There are mouse, left button and right button. There are number keys, directional keys, delete key and enter key. There is an Ethernet port for connection with PC. Use a software named PowerTest installed on PC to control PW41i. There are two USB ports, used to export test report and upgrade the local software program. On the top panel, there are 3 current output channels, each channel is 40 amperes. 4 pairs of binary input ports. 4 voltage output channels, each channel is 300 volts. And auxiliary DC power output with switch for 110 volts, adjust and 220 volts. On the rear panel, there are GPS interface, IP reset button, 4 binary input ports, 4 binary output ports, power switch, and power supply connector. This is an overcurrent relay for transmission line which made in China, HRS 216M. Now let's use PW41i in local control mode to test the overcurrent relay. First, let's look at the wiring connection between PW41i and HRS 216M relay. This is the diagram of wiring connection between PW41i and HRS 216M relay. The current output group A phase, B phase, C phase, N phase connect to E1, E2, E3, E4 respectively as 3-phase current injection. The binary input A connect to C1, C2 respectively as relay trip signal feedback to test set. Second, open test template and fill in protection setting value. The protection setting value in the relay is pickup value 5 amperes, trip time 3 seconds. Now we use the test template RAM3i to do the overcurrent test. Press RAM3i button to enter the test interface. Both touchscreen and mouse and keys can control the test interface. Now we use mouse and keys to fill in the protection setting value. Press setting button, the pickup value is 5 amperes. The trip time is 3 seconds. Press OK button. This is a 3-phase overcurrent relay. Now we add to 3-phase. Press Add button. Add a new item after item 1? Yes. Press Add button again. Add a new item after item 2? Yes. Set the item 1 name as A phase. Set the item 2 as B phase. The fault type is B phase to earth. Set the item 3 as C phase and the fault type as C phase to earth. Please note, the flow duration time need to be longer than the trip time 3 seconds. Now we set the upstep time is 4 seconds. The upstep time of both A phase and B phase also need to set 4 seconds. Third, press Run button to start relay test. Press Run button. A phase overcurrent test, B phase overcurrent test, C phase overcurrent test, are doing one by one. Press the test process display button, we can see the state of the changed current. Now A phase trip, the pickup value is 5 amperes, trip times is 3.049 seconds. Next item 2 B phase test is doing. Now B phase trip, the pickup value is 5 amperes, trip times is 3.114 seconds. Next item 3, C phase test is doing. Now C phase trip, the pickup value is 5.1 ampere, trip times is 2.957 seconds. Test finished. Click Report button. There are test results. All test result is passed. The test points are all successful. Fourth, report save and view. Click Report button. Click Save. We can save the test report locally and to U-disk. Insert a USB disk. Find the U-disk location. Input the file name. Click Save button. Then we pull out the U-disk to view the test report on PC by Power Test software. Double-click Power Test software. Click Test Manager. Click Report. Select the report. Click Open button. We can read the test result here. Click Report. Click Report. We can view the setting value and the test result. Click Report. Click Word Report. Test report can be generated in Word format. Also setting value and test result. The report content is same when view in local test set and PC. Now the test is finished. If you have any question, please feel free to contact us.